Hello everybody, this is Rishi George and this is my database lab exercise number 3 that is about aggregate and built-in functions. So aggregate functions basically perform a calculation on set of values and return single value, like uh, they are basically used for grouping and select statements. So here's our table. Like in the previous video I just made the tables, and here we are just changing some values. We are inserting some new values in that table by the following command. Here, as you can see, the skill, yeah, here you can see deposit some values. I have inserted some values here. Yeah, insert into deposit the table name that I already created. Insert into deposit values, then the what values, like 106 is the number, account number, then the name, that is Sandeep, that is string, that's why all the string values like Sandeep, Andheri, and the date as it contains March is all in single quotes. Then there is an amount that is 2000 and it is not in quotes. Then again we have another value like 107, Shivani Virar is the place, then 1000 is the amount deposited, then the date, then Kranti Nehru place, and all those things. Like we have inserted some values here, and you can see that rows have been created after insertion of every value. Same is done for the branch also, like insert into branch Dharampet, Nagpur, and all those things, MG Road, Bangalore. And then you can see we have inserted all the values for branch also, and every row has been created in the branch table. Same is done for the customer. As you can see, all those customer values like the name and the place of the customer, and then these are inserted. Then for the borrow table also we have included all the attributes, like two things are included in this borrow. So that's it. Now the question is, we have to display the total amount of loan that is taken by the borrowers. So we'll just write select sum. Sum is the keyword, and what we have to take the sum, that is the amount, and from which table, that is borrow. So we'll just enter this. So you can see some amount from which is showing 11,000, that is the amount taken from borrowers. As you can see here, the borrowers, the total amount is taken is 8,000 and 3,000, that makes 11,000 here. So then we have the total deposit done by the depositors. Same can be done here, like amount done from deposit. Select some amount from deposit. You can see it's 15,000. All the amount that is stored in this deposit table here is shown there, like 5,000, 7,000, 12,000, and this 3,000, 15,000. So these are the simple things. Then you can see here, one of the query shows like list the total taken from Andheri branch. Since there is no branch like Andheri, no one has taken loan from this Andheri branch, so it is not showing anything. Then we have a query to find the total deposit of customers having account date later than 1 January. So the condition can be just given as like we'll just write that. Yeah. So that is select sum, that is the total amount of money, that's a sum, from which table, that is deposit, where a date is greater than, like it's after that 1 January 1996. So we'll just show the sum of amount is 2000, as if no one has taken any amount after 1996. Then we have the same, like it was after 96, here the condition is Nagpur. Then we have another, like maximum deposit of customers living in Bombay. So here we use sum, here we can use max, like same like max, min, all these are aggregate functions like count and all. So here we'll just use select max amount from deposit, then b comma branch, and d city is equals to Bombay. So yeah, here I have just wrote one. Select some amount, uh, so basically this one does is like this one here, it does like select the sum total amount of money from deposit, and then we have created a object like for that deposit attribute D, and then an object B for the branch. And using that object we are invoking like b dot city should be Nagpur, so it will show like the amount is equals to 15,000. Like the people who, like the question was like find the total deposit of people living in the city of Nagpur, that shows 15,000. Then we have the max deposit using that max function. Same conditions are here, just like distinct is used to show distinct cities. uh, you can show also like branch wise deposits, like here it is shown select b name amount from deposit order by name, so it will just order it by name. So yeah, here it is select b name from deposit order by name. So you can uh, uh, it's actually b name, sorry. Yeah, you can see here that's Andheri 2000, 5000, 7000, all those details like the b name and the amount that is from the deposit table is shown here. So same things like count function, max function are included in here. So if we go for like select count cname from customers, like to display all the total number count of customers, so we can just go like that. Yeah. So here you can see this is the function like select count cname from customers, that is the total number of customers, it shows 5. Then this one is like total count of depositors branch wise, it also shows amount from depositors order, like select b name then the amount from the deposit, and we should order it by the b name. Like according to this e comes first, it is alphabetically ordered, so like all the thing that comes first will be shown here, like according to alphabet character set. So it was very actually, yeah, here it is. And the query is to display the branch name and branch wise deposits. So here you can see this Andheri narrow grace Powai Virar, like B comes at last and A comes at the first. It's alphabetically it's ordered as we give order by B name. Same can be done for all those other queries, like select max amount from borrow where B name is equals to VRC. Uh, we have the list of branches having some deposit of 4,000. uh, we can do this one, select display the name of character customers in uppercase, so just try to select uh, upper, like, or it should be the c name, return c name from customer here, so that all uppercase customer name have been shown here, like Pramod, Sandeep, Shivani, Kranti, and then all have been entered in the upper cases. Actually, this was from the before, and after that I deleted all those records. So here you can see that same is done for the other functions also, other queries also, like display the substring nil from Sunil. Like we can show that substring, like select substring, and write that one, select sub, then the c name, like how many characters after that, so it should be 3. Then how many characters we have to count after that, it should be also 3. Then as, like what, as name, from which table, that is from deposit, so deposit, and what is the condition where name that is C name is equals to Sunil. uh, Actually it's substring, here it's wrong, substring, again I did it wrong. So it is C name. Actually the problem is I didn't created any name of Sunil like here, so we'll just give another name like some other name in the deposit table, like deposit table we'll give Sandeep. So just add the value of Sandeep here. So you can see here like all the after three alphabets 0 1 2, and then three characters are taken, NDI 1 2 3 characters are taken, it starts from 0. So that was all about like one more I can show you, like the round off method is shown for like it somewhere, yeah. So here you can see this round one is like select round 15.679 from dual, like it basically rounds off the floor value or the seal value, it depends upon where you give it. So when we give it, just it shows rounded off, it gives us 16. So that was all about aggregate functions. Thank you for watching.